Alright folks, the pergola is pretty much done. This is my mess area. That's going to be tomorrow. It's too hot. This is what it looks like. I think it came out really good. All of it's up. Everything's done except the welding. And those cross members will go between here. That's a 2-inch, a line 2 inches from the end of the beam, so that dude is square. We got this big area out here. It's going to be nice when I finally get this done. I went ahead and piped in my conduit to put whatever I want to put in there later. Inch is about all that would fit in that cavity, so whatever we do, it's going to have to fit in there. I have to work this a little bit. I had to pull those paved stone up, so I got to kind of get those reset. That doesn't look that great, so I'm going to have to redo that probably. All the beams are good. This is mess area number 2, and I ain't cleaning this up either till tomorrow morning. Margaret will sleep in. I'll try to clean up nice and quiet. All done.